and it is WWE champion Roly Poly Oly is about to start to fight Dog Aioli. Okay, the fight is about to start. 3, 2, 1, go! Roly Poly Oly is going for the Roly Oly pole. Oh, and he's going up. He's going up. And Dog Aioli gets hit off. And is Roly Poly Oly gonna go for him and get him off and still go for him? Yes, she is. And she is going out of the ring to throw Dog Aioli. 1, 2, 3. Dog Aioli is out of here. Roly Poly wins. Roly Poly, come here. You win. We are going to go get Ducky. But I have to carry him on because he was injured from the last round from Roly Poly Oly. And currently, Roly Poly Oly is kissing her muscles. And Ducky's onto the ring looking like he's a champion. He is looking like it. And hopefully, Roly Poly and Ducky make it a good round. And Ducky's sidekick might even come in. 3, 2, 1, go! Roly Poly comes in with the amazing entrance. Ducky's sitting there. Ducky is still sitting there. Ducky's assistant is coming in. Ducky's assistant is coming in to grab him and going for the cannon. He's going for the cannon. Oh, and Roly Poly blocked the cannon. And he goes for the John Cena belly slam. And he got him in a headlock. Get him in a headlock, Roly Poly. And he got him. 1, 2. Oh, and Ducky's getting Roly Poly Oly. Oh my God. The reigning champion is actually putting up a fight. 1, 2, 3. Roly Poly wins. Ducky, how do you feel about almost winning about it? I feel real good. I'll get it next time. Hey, see ya, Ducky. Oh my God, and Roly Poly Oly is going for it. Okay. This time, Roly Poly Oly is going against the reigning champion, Koala. Are you scared, Roly Poly Oly?
Not even a threat.
Okay, I guess Roly Poly Oly thinks he's definitely gonna beat this menace. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Is Roly Poly going for the surprise? Yes, he is. Yes, she is. Oh, and Roly Poly Oly knocked Koala down with the earthquake. And Koala gets belly slammed. Will Koala fight back? Koala is fighting back. Koala is fighting back. Koala's trying to get her knee. And Roly Poly Oly got her in the hand lock. And Koala's actually kind of taking control of Roly Poly Oly. Oh, 1, 2, is Koala gonna get up? 3, Koala got up. He got up. And Roly Poly Oly is going for the roll slam. I'm guessing she's gonna do her signature move, the roll slam.
Roly Poly.
Oh my God! And she goes for the roll slam. 1, 2, 3. Roly Poly Oly is the reigning champion. Well, folks, that was the WWE Animal Tournament. We'll see you in the next game. Well, Roly Poly is still kind of going crazy. We'll see you in the next game. Peace out.